Good morning, students. Dear students, we are going to the topic doubly reinforced beam. So the numerical problem is a doubly reinforced beam section is 250 millimeter wide and 450 millimeter deep to the center of tensile reinforcement. It is reinforced with two bars of 16 mm diameter as compression reinforcement at an effective cover of 50 millimeter and four bars of 25 mm diameter as tensile steel. Use M20 grade concrete and SP250 grade steel. Determine the ultimate moment of resistance of the beam section. So this is the question. The solution of the problem is, so this is our section of the beam. So width of the beam section is B and effective depth is D. So two bars of 16 mm diameter are used as compression reinforcement. So this is compression steel and this is 4 bars of 20 mm diameter as tensile steel. So and this is the cover to compression reinforcement D dash, and this is effective depth of the beam section D. So now data given to us: width of the beam section B, this is 250 millimeter, and effective depth D, this is 450 mm, and effective cover to compression reinforcement D dash, this is 50 millimeter, and area of the compression reinforcement ASC. So ASC consists of two bars of 16 mm diameter, two bars. So area, cross section area of the one bar pi d square by 4. So ASC consists of two bars 16 mm diameter. So cross section area of the one bar is pi d square by 4, pi into 16 square upon 4. So there are two bars, so multiply by 2. So it means ASC is equal to, so this is 402 square millimeter, and AST, area of the tensile steel. So tensile steel is 4 bars of 25 mm diameter, 4 bars. So cross section area of the one bar pi d square by 4. So pi 25 square upon 4. So this is 1964. So AST are 4 bars 25 mm dia. So cross section area the 1 bar pi d square by 4. So 4 bars multiplied by 4. So AST. So cross section area of the tensile steel 1964 square millimeter. So M20 grade concrete. So grade of the concrete is M20. So it means characteristic compressive strength of concrete FCK 20 Newton per square millimeter, and steel grade is Fe250 grade steel. So it means yield stress of steel is 250 Newton per square millimeter. So this much data is given to us. So first of all, we will determine the maximum depth of the neutral axis, XU max. So XU max, maximum depth of the neutral axis for Fe250 grade steel. So this is 0.53d. This formula is used to determine the maximum depth of the neutral axis for Fe250 grade steel. So this is 0.53 into d. So the value of d is 450. So XU max is 238.5 millimeter. So maximum depth of the neutral axis XU max, it comes out to be 238.5 millimeter. So second, determine FSC. FSC means stress in compression steel. FSC stress in compression steel. So this is equal to ES mean modulus of elasticity of steel into epsilon SE mean strain in compression steel. So modulus of elasticity of steel 2 into 10 raised to the power 5 and strain in compression steel this is 0.0035 into 1 minus d dash upon xu. So this is 700 into 1 minus d dash upon xu. So this is 700 into 1 minus d dash cover to compression reinforcement. Its value is given to us 50 mm. So this is 50 upon xu. So this is FSC 700 into 1 minus 50 upon xu. So then find xu. So next step is find depth of the neutral axis xu. So the depth of the neutral axis is calculated by equating total tensile force to the total compressive force. So acute total tensile force to total compressive force. Now total tensile force T is equal to 0.87 F by AST. So this is 0.87 F by its value is 250 and AST. So it is given to us 1964. So the value of the total tensile force is 427,170 Newton. So this much is our tensile force. So then total compressive force. So compressive force is C is total compressive force. So this is equal to C1 plus C2. So where C1 is the compressive force provided by concrete. So this is equal to C1 and C2 is the compressive force provided by steel in compression zone. So C1 is equal to 0.36 FCK B into XU plus C2. So C2 is FSC into ASC. So this is equal to 0.36. So C is equal to 0 FCK 20 B 250 width of the beam section into XU plus FSC. So FSC is this is 700 into 1 minus D dash 50 upon XU. Already we have determined FSC is equal to 700 into 1 minus 50 upon XU. So plus into ASC. So ASC is the area of the compression steel. So this is 402. Say 402. So then by solving this we get total compressive force C is equal to 1800 XU plus 281,400 into 1 minus 50 upon XU. Then acute total tensile force and total compressive force we get 18 XU plus 281,400 into 1 minus 50 upon XU. This is equal to total tensile force 427,170. So this much is the total tensile force. So this is total compressor force. So dividing throughout by 1800, we get xu is equal to plus 156.63 minus 7816.66 upon xu is equal to 237.31. So further solving this, we get the quadratic equation in terms of xu. So quadratic equation in terms of xu becomes xu square minus 80.98 xu minus 7816.67 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation in xu having two values. So the solution of the quadratic equation xu is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. We get minus b. So this is minus 80.98 plus minus b square. So this is 80.98 square minus 4a is equal to 1 and c is minus 7816.67 upon 2a upon 2. So we get 80.98 plus minus 194.48 upon 2. So taking positive value, then we get xu is equal to 137.73 millimeter. This is the actual depth of the neutral axis xu. So now the maximum depth of the neutral axis xu max, this is 238.5, and depth of the neutral axis, actual depth of the neutral axis 137.73. So it means xu is less than xu max. So it means the beam section is under reinforced. So then FSC is equal to FSC in the beginning we have determined FSC is equal to 701 minus 50 upon xu. So this is equal to 701 minus 50 upon xu is 137.73. So the value of xu determined from this equation 445.88 Newton per square millimeter. So this is the value of FSC calculated from this equation. But for mild steel, Fe250 grade steel, FSC it should not be more than 0.87 Fy. So then it means the value of FSC it should not be more than 0.87 into 250. So this is 217.5 Newton per square millimeter. So we will consider the value of FSC this much. So stress and compression steel 217.5. So then ultimate moment of resistance. So then ultimate moment of resistance of the beam section is obtained by computing the total compressive force. By taking the moment of total compressive force at the centroid of tensile steel. So mu is equal to ultimate moment of resistance. This is equal to 0.36 FCK B into xu. So this is total tensile total compressive force C1, and lever arm is D minus 0.42 xu plus FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. So then putting the values in this equation, we get ultimate moment of resistance of the beam section FCK 20, B 250, depth of the neutral axis XU means depth of the neutral axis 137.73 into D. D is effective depth of the section 450 minus 0.42 XU 137.73. So plus FSC. FSC is 217.5 into ASC, area of the compression steel 402 into D minus D dash. D is 450 and D dash is 50. So by solving this question we get the ultimate moment of resistance of the beam section. This is 132.19 kilonewton meter. Thank you.